Ziha Montessori is an international intelligent wood factory with 20 years of continuous focus on the field of children's wooden products and integrates R&D, production, sales, and service. We have a research and development center, 2 independent factories for import and export divisions, and 8 product lines, as well as a complete upstream and downstream procurement supply chain and specification inventory system, providing one-stop procurement solutions for kindergartens and educational institutions around the world. We adhere to the needs of children at the center and strive to pass on scientific, educational concepts through high-quality products and promote the transformation of children's education. We have become the largest manufacturer of kindergarten furniture in the north of China and have gradually become the brand leader in the field of children's education products as our self-designed products take over the market. In terms of equipment, Ziha Montessori introduces professional CNC cutting, grinding, painting, assembly, and other equipment and production lines, digital order taking, intelligent production, research and development, all design concepts from the child's natural needs and scientific education system as a support, quality in strict compliance with the process quality requirements. All products have passed the international BV and SGS testing standards. Domestic in terms of quality, we strictly follow the process quality requirements. All products have passed the international BV and SGS testing standards, domestic ISO 9001 standards, and provide global customers with very competitive prices. Environmental protection. Through the European and 71 and ASTM test, we ensure the high quality and safety of products. Most of our team members have more than 20 years of experience in the industry. The production of products in line with the concept of excellence, continuous focus on quality, and production process optimization. Up to now, the product line includes children's teaching aids and toys, children's sports and play, children's home life, children's solid wood furniture, outdoor furniture, school furniture, 6 series of nearly 1,000 products. Whether large educational groups or end kindergartens and educational institutions, whether it is a large educational group or an end-user kindergarten and educational institution, or even an individual buyer, we try our best to provide our customers with product performance beyond expectations and lucrative business value through the best service. Ziha Montessori is a company with a strong sense of mission and a clear vision, willing to continue to develop in the field of children's educational products, provide quality products, grow together with our customers, and ultimately achieve to become a world-class brand in the field of children's educational products, making life and the world a better place.